Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, we'll be discussing the best TKL Mechanical Keyboard of 2022. All the links to the products are given in the description below. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. First of all, we have the Logitech G915 LIGHTSPEED. It is a full-size gaming keyboard with remote switches and keycaps. It includes dedicated macro keys, multi-device pairing, and full RGB backlighting. Unfortunately, only the dedicated macro keys are programmable, so other keys cannot be remapped. Even without a wrist rest, it feels comfortable to type on, and it comes with 3 switch options: GL Tactile, GL Clicky, and GL Linear. We bought a keyboard with tactile switches, which are easy to press and provide adequate typing quality. We haven't tested this model's Logitech G915 TKL version, but we expect it to perform similarly. The Logitech G915 is an excellent gaming keyboard. The low-profile switches are highly responsive and provide good tactile feedback, and the keyboard has low latency. The dedicated media controls let you adjust your audio without minimizing gains, and the dedicated macro keys are a welcome addition. Also, the full RGB backlighting is a plus if you enjoy gaming in low-light environments. Up next, we have the SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. The SteelSeries Apex Pro is an excellent gaming keyboard that is also quite versatile. It has a one-of-a-kind setting that allows you to adjust the pre-travel distance required to enter a keystroke, increasing and decreasing the actuation force. You can set it lower for a more responsive gaming experience, or higher to reduce typos and accidental keystrokes when typing text. This keyboard is well made, with dedicated media keys and a nice magnetic wrist rest. The SteelSeries Apex Pro gaming keyboard is excellent. It's responsive, and you can customize the pre-travel distance of your keys to your liking. It's also very well made and completely customizable with its excellent software. Backlighting is also helpful for gaming in low-light conditions. The Apex Pro is ideal for use in an office setting. It has a perfect wrist rest and a comfortable ergonomic design. Also, typing on this keyboard is pleasurable and doesn't make too much noise. The Apex Pro programming keyboard is excellent. Typing is enjoyable, and you can customize the pre-travel distance of each key, allowing you to find your ideal setting for reducing typos. Third one, we have the Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition. The Razer Huntsman Tournament Edition TE is an excellent gaming keyboard with Razer's proprietary linear optical switches. These switches offer a responsive typing and gaming experience. However, some users may find them overly sensitive, and they frequently register unintended keystrokes. And the keyboard has full RGB backlighting that can be easily customized using Razer's Synapse 3 software. This keyboard is part of the Razer Huntsman and Razer Huntsman Elite optomechanical switch lineup. The Razer Huntsman TE gaming keyboard is excellent. The keys are highly responsive and light, and they can all be programmed using Synapse 3. The full RGB backlighting is ideal for gaming in low-light environments, and the double-shot PBT keycaps are built to last, with no risk of the critical legends fading or chipping. The Razer Huntsman TE is a poor choice for HTPC entertainment use, because it is wired only. You must be within cable distance of your connected devices. It also lacks a keyboard wheel and a trackpad, but it does have full RGB backlighting and media control hotkeys. Next, we have the Roccat Vulcan TKL Pro. The Roccat Vulcan TKL Mechanical 10 keyless gaming keyboard is excellent. It has a sturdy feeling brush metal backplate and flat profile keycaps with exposed transparent switch housing that show off the RGB backlighting. The Roccat Titan tactical switches in the unit we tested are light, responsive, and provide good feedback. It's also available with Roccat Titan linear switches if you prefer a different feel. It has excellent companion software with numerous customization options, but it is only compatible with Windows. Unfortunately, the latency is a little high for a wired gaming keyboard, and the larger stabilized keys occasionally have extra stiffness, making them challenging to actuate. The Roccat Vulcan TKL is excellent for gaming and has a solid build quality with a brushed metal backplate. It has thin flat keycaps that expose the switches beneath, highlighting the perfect full RGB backlighting. The unit we tested had Roccat Titan tactical switches, which feel light and responsive and provide good tactile feedback. Still, it's also available with Roccat Titan linear buttons if you prefer. Regrettably, the latency is only acceptable, and only the alphanumeric keys on the left side of the keyboard are macro programmable. Next up, we have the Corsair K70 RGB TKL. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL is an excellent gaming keyboard, 80% smaller than the Corsair K70 RGB MK2. It's a well-made model with solid double-shot BPT keycaps. It has a slew of gaming features, such as macro programmable keys, full RGB backlighting, and a tournament mode switch that disables all macros and displays a single color so you can concentrate on gaming. Our unit features Cherry MX speed switches, which are very light to press and provide a responsive gaming experience, and linear Cherry MX reds. If you don't mind the sensitive controls and want to use them at the office, it has an excellent typing quality, but doesn't come with a wrist rest. The Corsair K70 RGB TKL gaming keyboard is amazing. Our unit's Cherry MX speed switches are very light to press and have a short pre-travel distance. It also has very low latency for a responsive gaming experience. It has full RGB lighting, all keys are macro programmable, and it's very well made. Unfortunately, it does not include a wrist rest for those long gaming sessions. Lastly, we have the glorious GMMK TKL. The glorious modular mechanical keyboard, also known as the GMMK, is generally excellent. This full-size keyboard comes with various switches, allowing you to choose the one that best suits your needs. The board is hot swappable, so you don't have to unsolder the buttons to replace them. It also has full RGB lighting and is highly customizable. This board is also available in 60% compact or TKL format. Unfortunately, it has high latency, making it less suitable for fast-paced competitive gaming. The glorious GMMK is an excellent gaming keyboard, but some gamers may be disappointed by its high latency. Our keyboard has Gatoron brown switches, which appear slightly more pre-travel than other keyboards, though most users should not notice. However, because this board is hot swappable, you can install your favorite mechanical switches without soldering. Each key is macro programmable, and the RGB lighting is ideal for nighttime gaming. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel.